Break 6 eggs. Separate each egg white into another small bowl before pouring it into the mixer bowl. Pour egg whites in a beating bowl and attach the mixer bowl to a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment. Add 1 cup of sugar and beat well. After you have firm peaks, continue beating for another 5 minutes. Turn the whisk upside down. The peaks will hold now. The texture of the mixture will also be thick and heavy. Add yolks one by one. Beat the egg mixture on high speed for 5 minutes or until it becomes thick, fluffy, and triple in volume. In a medium sized bowl, stir all purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and coffee together and set aside. Stop the mixer and lift the whisk attachment. Add flour mixture in beaten eggs in 3 parts. Start with 1/3 flour mixture and mix. Then half and mix. Then remainder of the flour and mix till combined. Fold all this mixture softly. Grease and line to pan with parchment paper. Pour the mixture into pan and bake at 350 degree for 25 to 30 minutes or until the center of the cake springs back lightly when pressed. Add cocoa powder, coffee, drinking hot chocolate, condensed milk and liquid milk in a pan and whisk. Keep it on high flame. Hot chocolate is ready. Keep it aside. Cool the cake. Add whipped cream, cocoa powder, coffee, chocolate powder to mixing bowl. Whip on medium for 4 to 5 minutes. Cream is ready. Cut the cake into 2 layers. Place the first cake layer on your cake base or your turntable. Pour half chocolate milk on this layer, then spread cream frosting. Repeat again that process for second layer and covered with cream. Now, cake is covered with whipped cream. Take hot chocolate and grate it with knife. Spread over the cake. Sprinkle edible pearls. Chocolate cake is ready.